Okay, welcome again dito sa ating programang Healthy Chat at Sunshine. Tayo po'y pumapasok na sa second half ng ating program. And kasama natin dito ang ating kapartners from fourth year, Placenta. Ayan, ha. We've featured Miss Jess siguro a year ago and now she's back. Miss Jess Monte, live na live dito po sa ating studio, ang distributor ng fourth year. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss Meg.
Batiin mo naman yung mga viewers and listeners natin.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nagpapasalamat po kami for the opportunity to be able to be here again this afternoon. Magandang hapon po, Pilipinas.
At syempre, pati yung mga kapartners natin sa ibang bansa. Naku, nanonood sila. Nagparamdam na sa atin si Jane Tajima ng Tokyo, Japan. Syempre pa, ang kapartners natin from California sa US of A. Hello sa inyo. Eto, partner Jess, ikaw ay minabuti kong makaimbita dito sa program. Dahil sa init ng mga kontrobersiya, pag-uusap, discussions regarding this COVID-19, ay mahalaga na sinasabi nga, palakasin natin ang ating katawan, ang ating immune system. And I understand, meron kayong produkto na makakatulong para sa mga kapartners natin. But before that, pakilala muna natin ang fourth year Placenta.
Okay, so ang fourth year Placenta has already been in the market for 12 years. Okay, it's a Singaporean company, Sriway International, but the manufacturing facility po is based in New Zealand. So the products category po is food supplement.
Food supplement.
Yes,
okay.
Food supplement.
Pero ang primary content nito, partner Jess, is
we have live cell from the deer placenta, and then we also have other 11 nutrients inside. So, kung makita po ninyo, we have borage oil, we have apple polyphenol, nucleic lavem. Okay, we also have lycopene, squalene, marine collagen. We also have aloe vera, and the rest po. So, these are actually good for the body.
Tama, Kasi nasasabi nga, yung stem cell, na dati pa naman na na-introduce dito sa Philippine market natin, and science, sinasabi na nakakatulong para ma-regenerate, ang ating mga cells, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, so ano ang maitutulong ng fourth year dito sa lumalalang problema ng mga kababayan natin tungkol sa COVID-19, partner?
Yes, sobra nga po ngayon na nagkakaubusan na daw po ng alcohol, mask, and panic buying na lahat. But I believe the best protection that we could have is to make ourselves healthy. And importante po, ang immune system natin is covered or healthy or mataas. Bakit? Kasi usually when we accumulate this type of virus, ang una pong lumalaban would be our immune system.
Yes.
So once po na mataas yung immune system natin, so mas malawak po yung scope ng prevention. So instead of having this what you call a viral infection, hindi na to maglilid sa viral infection. But hence, lalabanan ng katawan natin itong virus na papasok sa katawan natin. And that is what Perti Placenta can do. Kasi I believe, and most of it, kapag ni-research po natin ng ingredients ng Pertier, it got antiviral properties, antioxidants, and then anti-inflammatory. Now, I'm not saying that there are cures. I'm saying that this is one or more of the properties of food supplements na hindi po natin nakukuha basta-basta sa mga pagkain na kinakain natin.
Tama.
Kasi bakit hindi din tayo healthy kumakain po, Miss Meg?
Oo nga.
Diba? Pollution, yes.
Siguro, meron, kumakain tayo ng prutas, kumakain tayo ng gulay. But, nakakasiguro ba ang mga kababayan natin na nakukuha natin yung right amount, di ba?
Yes, tama po.
Yung dami talaga na kailangan ng katawan natin para manatili tayong masigla, di ba? Malakas. Okay, so at least we have this kind of supplement. Oo, na makakatiyak tayong makakatulong sa atin. Siyempre, aside dun sa mga kinakain natin. Diba?
Tama po.
Ayun. So, papaanong take nito if in case yung mga kapartners natin na wala pa naman talagang COVID, diba? Hindi pa rin sila considered ng mga people under investigation.
Yes.
Paanong i-take itong fourth year placenta, partner?
It's actually po a 6 months therapy. So we'll take it for 6 months. Bali po one bottle, such as what's here. It's composed of 60 capsules. Okay, yan po. It's composed of 60 capsules. So kaya po siya 6 months therapy. Okay, 7 bottles po ang consume for the whole 6 months duration.
Yes.
So for the first month po, you have to take 2 capsules in the morning and 2 at night. So yung 15 days lang po yung duration ng isang bottle for the first month. And then on the second month po, you will take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule at night. So yun po siya tinitake. And to be particular po, much better po if without meals pa. So wala pang laman ng tiyan.
Oo.
Yes.
Hindi naman sila magkakaroon ng problema, lalong-lalo dun sa mga kapartners natin na merong mga acidic, di ba? Merong may problema sa kanilang yung kanilang
mga maintenance medications po
yun.
ba? Yes.
Kung sakasakali, meron silang hypertension, meron silang diabetes, mga ganyan.
Ma'am, actually, Miss Met, mas nakakatulong pa. The portier placenta po, particularly the capsule po, isn't dissolved in the stomach. So, it bypasses, you call this one enteric coating technology.
Yes.
So, dun siya sa small intestine wherein there's absorption, dun po siya na-absorb. So, wala po siyang contraindication to any maintenance medication na person is taking.
Yes.
Now, kung ang tao po ay may sakit, mas makakatulong po ito. And let's say, sabihin na lang po natin that it could be a nutrient provider inside our body. So, mas nakakatulong pa po siya lalo.
Ayun. So, dito mga kapartners, linawin lang natin, partner Jess, sa mga nanonood, nakikinig sa atin ngayon, na hindi ko binabanggit namin na eto po may fourth year. Kung under medication kayo, itigil nyo na yung medication.
Yes,
baka magalit sa
tama
atin
po.
ng doktor.
Tama po kayo. Isabay nyo lang po siya kasi makakatulong po ng malaki.
Correct. Okay. Sige. So, doon naman sa mga kapartners natin, if ever, hindi pa rin silang suspected, pero andun na yung pakiramdam na masama ang, di ba? Merong nanghihina, naku, wag naman sanang nahihirapang huminga, meron ng gano'n, di ba? Pagka gano'n, we have to double the dose?
Yes po, you can double the dose. Actually nga po kami and buong family namin. Ako, particularly, I'm taking 10 capsules minimum a day.
Wala namang overdose?
Wala pong overdose. Even po my child are taking it. So, wala po siyang overdose. You could take as much as you want. Lalo na po kapag mas lalo po kayong, you work the whole day at mas mahirap, the more you take more. Parang kumakain ka lang. The more na mas gusto mo kumain ka lang ng kumain.
Ayun.
Yes.
Uy, teka muna. Baka naman
po.
tumaba ka nun. Hindi naman nakakataba.
Hindi naman po siya nakakataba.
I see. Okay, so, etong mga bottles na nakikita nyo ng fourth year dito, ay paano ito ma-avail ng mga kapartners natin, by the way?
Okay, so to everyone who is watching, please buy to a legit independent distributor of Portillo Placenta. So we are discouraging people who are posting online.
Yeah.
Kasi di po natin alam whether it's safe or not. Okay?
Oo. At saka alam mo naman dito sa atin, di ba?
Tama po.
Magaling mag-copycat.
Yes,
diba?
nakakatakot po. So please, for those people who are watching, contact the person po who you know is a distributor of Portillo Placenta. And then personally, directly contact them. Now, our office po is open, okay po, from 10 o'clock in the morning till 7 o'clock in the evening. It's in Unit 108P, 5 Ecom Building, MOA Complex, Pasay City.
Okay, Pasay.
Yes.
So, ito partners, itong mga products na to, hindi natin makikita sa mga drugstores.
Ay, hindi po siya. Yes.
So dun
po.
sa mga talaga, mga
legit distributors po.
Yes,
Miss Met.
Aside from you, how can they know na legit distributor yung ng fourth year yung kanilang malalapitan?
Ayan po, nakakatakot din pong tanong yan kasi minsan baka hindi po talaga legit.
Yes.
Usually po, we show them po our PH ID. So that's an ID po that is given.
Okay.
Yes, kasi kada po provider po or taga-distributor po ng Reway, you're provided with PH ID and then we could actually let you buy right away online. Yes, pwede po siya.
I see. So, partner, kung sakasakaling sa'yo kukuha, kasi di ba lalo na sa panahon na to that it is very hard for them to go to different places,
Yes,
di ba? Can you do the transaction via our social media?
Yes,
O di kaya,
pwede po. You could privately message us on Facebook. Okay, we could answer your query and also via text messages or call.
Ayun
Yan po.
Kasi 'di ba yung iba rin na mga kababayan natin, especially those who are under medication, parang ayaw na nila mag-alis-alis sa mga panahong ito.
Oh, yes
Kaya
po.
magiging madali na rin kung sakasakali if you want to avail this products that we're talking about. Okay. Meron lang nag-message sa akin dito, partner Jess. Ayan. Sabi nila, di ba, ang stem cell, maraming form. Actually, di ba, no, merong mga injectables,
Yes,
merong mga
tama po.
But this one is tinitake.
Orally.
Oo, orally. How can we say na yung ano nito, yung effectivity nung placenta, ng stem cell, ayan, sa katawan natin?
Okay po. Kasi actually po, there are two major types of stem cells po. One is yung sinasabi nga pong injectable.
Yeah.
Okay, and one, ito yung kinuha namin, we call this one embryonic stem cell.
Yeah,
So from the
embryo.
placenta.
Oo.
So dito po nanggaling from the deer. So actually po deer, it's a doe, female deer. So doon po in-extract po yung live stem cell po from the placenta of a doe. And then po, it will be placed po, we call this one, we have different types of technology. So it's in this presentation na kung saan there is what you call the type of capsulation, the freeze drying, wherein we ensure that what is inside is alive.
Wow.
Kaya po may
ayun.
technology po behind the capsule.
Yes. So, hindi yan katulad ng ibang mga conventional medicine na ano lang, pinowderize, nilagay sa
Yes.
capsule.
So
Sa
once
mga
you cut
live.
it po, you will check po, it's liquid po inside. And then the
Ayun.
technology po behind, 5 po yun. So, can I discuss it a little bit, Ms. Met?
Sige,
so,
short na
the
lang.
first one po is from the placenta of a doe, it will be placed in the freezer to make the cell alive for 3 years. And second po, they utilize enteric coating technology wherein instead of bursting po in the stomach, it will be in the small intestine for the absorption.
Okay.
So, hindi po siya nasisira kagad. Yun po yung advantage nun. And of course, they made po the molecule smaller so that mas mabilis po yung absorption.
Ayun.
So yung
Ganda.
injectable po kasi, Miss Met, ginagawa siya one time. So, depende sa organ na sira.
Oo.
Ito po, once you take it, it will look for the place kung saan may kailangan siyang
May
ayusin. At doon siya
problema.
aayos.
Ayun. Okay, so once again, partner Jess, invite mo yung mga kapartners natin, ha? Lalong-lalo na, para hindi na sila maparanoid dito sa COVID-19 na pinag-uusapan natin. Ayan, ha? Invite mo na sila sa kagandahan ng, na masubukan ng produkto and how to get in touch with you again.
Yes, a blessed day to everyone all over the world. I believe that masks and currently alcohols are running out, but the best way for us to guard our health is protecting ourselves and feeding it right.
Yes.
So one of the best thing that I could actually share to you is Pertier Placenta because holistic po ang approach ng Pertier. Aside from the live cell, it has other 11 ingredients. Actually, these are ancient ingredients pa po long time ago that could help or assist our body to increase the immune system to fight this what you called nCoV-19.